Hello, my Dorian fans, and welcome to another delicious breakfast. Every evening, I look back at my breakfast and get a bit jealous of past me. So this morning, I was preparing for another interview, and then I did the interview. I think it went alright, so that was good. And then in celebration, I went out to do some basketball. But I was by myself, so I just filmed myself bouncing the ball. Not particularly thrilling, but, you know. Hopefully someone watched it. Anyway, then I had pizza, which was delish, leftover from yesterday. Pizza's up in the oven, which is very nice. Then I watched some YouTube videos. This one happens to be a Minecraft video, although I have to say it's not my usual viewing, but you know, it turned out to be kind of interesting. Then I ate chocolate crepe, and then basically I was waiting around for Maddie to get back from basketball, because she's got her whole life sorted out and is playing basketball every evening, which I'm envious of. So instead I was playing on my gnome, on hardcore. He actually died, but then I made another one, and came back even stronger. I also learned how to make magic water, so that was quite exciting, because now I never need to buy water again, so life is good. I'm feeling rich, you know. And now I'm about to eat some noodles, which is what Maddie and I are having after her return from basketball, so I hope everyone has a good day, and adios!